Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Anne. I'm going to have another review, or what we call open a package from Shopee. And again, this is not a sponsored review package. This is from Shopee, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what's inside this package. But first off, okay, so meron akong story sa inyo. Okay, so it's just a short story. I don't know if it's a short story though, but yeah. So muna siya nakita ko. Last week, nag-message ang Tugo sa kuha. Ship ani isang Tugo. Okay, so nag-message ang Tugo sa kuha, but the message is from, I think, sa ilahan ng automated na system na informing me na ako'y package ang mabot karon, and that would be that was last week. Okay, so that was last week. So wala ko naglakaw last week. Ako naglakaw, nag-stay ako sa balay kay I really wanted to get that item. Okay, so wala nakita ko. So nanawag ang taga-Tugo sa ko yesterday, telling na, ma'am, naalala ba yung package din ni? Kuha ang ganini mo kay amo na yon iuli sa kanang chef. And I said, oh, kuha ko siya. I actually waited for that and all of that. Explain ko sa iya. And then nag-ingon sila sa kuha nga, ay ma'am, nag-try ni o kanang nag-attempt ni o kanang deliver sa inyong balay, pero dili siya ma-deliver kay first daw kuno nagbaha at kanang ulan daw tong time, which is true, yes, ulan gid siya and nagbaha, so dili sila deliver. The second attempt is na aksidente. So the third attempt is I don't know what happened, pero wala ko na-receive na call from the delivery guy informing me nga mag-deliver sila. Katurang Tugo nga kuan na automated nga message. So mo tugin ko siya nga, sige, kuha na lang ako ang item, pick up na lang ako. So that was yesterday, nanawag sila, and today na ako dapat pick upon, right? So ano ko nga, ma'am, sa oras mag-open ng inyong kuwain ng inyong store or ng warehouse kay napara ba ko'y work. So ayun na siya, ma'am, open na mi mga 8 in the morning. So nagsayo ko girl, lima ta ko sayo, nag-ilis ko, nagkatuko warehouse. O sa dihang di mo katuko sa warehouse, kasi di oras it. Okay, so nimo siya sa kuha na sa puntod. Then nagtuko sa puntod, and then ang tanan ko nga asang kuha na ko package sa Shopee. Dinaan sila dili dudto. Yan na girl, di ka high blood. So nanawag ko sa babae ko, ma'am, yan to ko sa inyong puntod ng warehouse, pero yun ang guard niya dili dudto ang warehouse ninyo. So ang ending uli ko, so ay pulos. Okay, so nanawag siya, ningon siya nga deliver na lang niya. And thank God na delivered to me. So here is the package. So let's open. Okay, what's inside this package? So let's open this one. Let me just open it. Okay, so I bought this one from Shopee. This is actually a headset. All right, so this is the okay, so ano siya, so vlogga sila. If you've watched my what's this, my video about Miss Ann Klut's brush, grabe lang packaging, pero this is a gadget. Okay, so ang packaging niya is a little bubble wrap, and then the package itself. So wala na siya ichiche. Diretso na siya, wala na siya close and effect. Wala na siya sealed. Okay, diretso na siya. So this is what we call inpods12. So sikat kay ni siya sa Facebook, and I'm really expecting nindot ni siya kay ano, I've heard a lot of a good feedback about this earpod, but I don't know. I mean inpods12. Macaron. Okay, so they have a different kind of colors, and I expected to have blue because blue ang akong gipili. And then in this side, na siya blue sign. Okay, so expected nga blue siya. Okay, so let's open it. So wala naman siya sealed, so diretso na siya. What's inside? Let's see. Tadan! Okay, bali. Alright, this one, so cute. Okay, so simple kaayo yung butanganan. Na siyang earpod, and this one, okay, and the charger. Let's have this one. The charger itself, very nice, nice charger, very good. And the manual. Alright, so this is the manual, the headset, and this one, the charger. So very nice. Okay, so first impression, very nice, cute kaayo, color blue. This is my daughter's favorite color blue. So I intended to buy blue because maybe ako ni hatag siya, maybe depende. Alright, so ako ni hatag siya because she's using iPhone though, and napod ko isa ka earpods, which is the gi-review na ko ni siya, pero gi-review na ko siya sa akong Instagram. So I think wala na ko siya na-upload dire. But yeah, na ako yung earpads nga lain. So ito siya. So let's open it. Okay, wow! Very cute. Okay, dako kay siya. I expected nga gamay kayo. Okay, so nag-blink-blink siya og blue. Okay, red and blue. And the other one is what? It's not blinking? Okay, so ang isa lang ang nag-blink. Ang isa, wala. Okay, let's put it again. Okay, nice kay siya. Look, pag open ninyo, mara siya na magnetic nga thingy. I don't know how to explain it. But na siya magnetic nga thingy in there. So, nice kayong feeling, no? So, this is so big. So, let's try it on sa atong galunggan. Okay. So, looks like that. Cute siya. Alright. So, yes, I'm using first kay phone man siya. So, let's just put this back on. Alright. Let's just put this back in first. And then, nagsiga siya. Okay. So, pag i-open mo siya, magsiga siya. Okay, nagsiga siya. And then the other one, let's try. Okay, so working siya ang duwa. Very good. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so working siya, very good. Now, let's have my iPhone. Okay, wait. Before I connect this one, let's read the manual first. What do we expect? So, na siya manual. Sa dinhi is na siya inchik. And this is from China. Okay, so they have different kind of color. They have blue, yellow, pink, or peach, or green. Green is so cute. And then black, navy blue, gray, and white. So they have different kind of colors. So nice siya. Alright, so let's read this one. Where's the, okay, na siya English. Alright, so let's read this one. So, inpods12 wireless earphones is now generation Bluetooth 5.0 standards, which supports two-ear calls, wireless portable earphones controlled by touch technology. Touch, yes. That's why na-imprint ako sa yakay touchpad. Alright, so 12 inpods 12 wireless earphones are equipped with charging boxes, which can provide power for each phones and facilitates user to use them for a long time. Okay, alright, so this one has a true wireless connection, TWS, achieves wireless stereo left and right channel separations, hi-fi sound effect. Both left and right ears have complete Bluetooth function, which can be used alone in pairs. Really? Really? Okay, so pasensya, igang kayo, wala pa nagpa-under sa electric pantay, sabag kasang. Okay, so for the first time, when the earphones are turned off, the two earphones press the switch button for about 3 seconds until the two lights are on. And at the same time, release your hands and empty all pairing information and enter ear-to-ear pairing. The left ear is in the main ear. Next boot takes only a long time. Press 2 to 3 times light on and turn on. Then two headphones can match quickly. Long press 5S to down. For iPhone under the Bluetooth mode, open the earphone case. There will be window showing up. Click the connect button to pair. Under Android phones under the Bluetooth mode, open the earphones case before searching for i12. When there's something here. So I open this one. Okay. So, nagsiga-siga naman siya. So, dili na siya need na mag... Okay! Wow! So, pag open ako sa yaan, gawas din siya. May pop-up siya. Wow! So, I will connect. Oh, so makita po nimo siya kung unsay sulod, pila na sa ka% ang sulod. Na ang... Okay, ang earpods is 93% and ang case niya is 68%. So while you're using your earpods, you can charge your earpod box, I think. So done. All right. So it calls i12. All right. So wait, nag-text. Okay, so let's hear it. Let's wear it. Wear test. Okay, so okay siya kay dili siya ingana ka be. Kung basi mahulog ba ka na bitong paglakaw-lakaw nimo nga kiat kay ka. Dili siya mahulog. Dili mo pa siguro ka mag-ambak-ambak, no? Dili siya. Okay siya bayut. Okay, go. Alright, so connected na siya. Let's try some music. Let's go to Spotify. Okay. So let's see. Charot. Okay, akong Spotify, dili ga-play. Wow. Kusog siya, in fairness. Volume up na siya. Pinakakusog na volume. Kusog kayo. Dili ko magkadungog sa inyo, char. Alright, hinayan na to kayo. Perfect kay siya, do. Wow. Didn't expect this one. Okay. So, yeah. I'm wearing it right now. Okay, so how much money siya? I forgot to tell you. Okay, this is just 396 man siguro to. Where? Ano to? 396. Let's see. Ano to go? Ara. Okay. 397. So, muna ako na-receive kahapon sa To Go Express. It is 397 ang AirPods. Very good kaayo. Very nice. Okay na kay ni Uy. Let's try to call someone using these AirPods, okay? Let's see. Let's turn off the Spotify. Okay. Let's call someone. Let me see if my cousin is on. I'm using what's this? Messenger sa Facebook. So I'm gonna call my cousin. So let's see kung ano ba ko. Oh, nag-ring. Very smooth ang iyang sound. Let's see. It's ringing. Okay, sorry tayo ga. Kuan ko. Okay. As in, sobra ka kuan. Init. So she's not answering any calls. My God, let's answer. Wait, may tatagalan ka call. Let's see. Okay, I'm calling another friend. Hi, Mang! Can you hear me clear? Are you sure? Say hi sa akong vlog. Hi, vlog! Alright, nag-review ko. That's why I'm calling you just to test if this is working. Yeah, so you can hear me loud and clear? Okay, so thank you for the clarification, Mamang. Sige na, bye-bye, good night. Alright, so approve. Okay, so my friend just told me na he can hear me loud and clear. Okay, very nice. Wow, for the 300 pesos, 397 pesos for this kind of quality is okay. All right, so I'm gonna rate this one. Maybe this would be like 10 over 10. Yes. Okay, so although I have a bad experience with the delivery, but okay man ang item. So I'll still give this one 10 over 10. Okay? So but the delivery would be like 5 over 10. Feeling. Alright, so yes, mo na to ang atong video. So you can charge this one kay naman siya charger, which is very good. It's a big plus because the other one that I bought wala siya charger, so it's a no-no. Okay, but anyway, that is like Android. So pwede man nimo siya mapalitan ng charger anytime. So a charger is like cheap, right? It's like 100 pesos and below. I'm not sure. But yeah, you can buy charger anytime. So, alright. So that would be it for our video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.